So, hello friends, welcome to the channel QuickBooks Learning. Today we will be learning about how we can go and create items in QuickBooks, items which we use in the invoices, right? And how we can go and do that is first thing is we will learn what exactly the items and types of items we have it in the QuickBooks, or usually we use it in our business. So to start here, it says service. Service is something which we usually take in our daily basis, like consulting, cleaning. We call the electrician for that. We call the furniture repair technician for that, and then it's the cleaning services. We do it in our house. So we create an item for service, and we can add that into the invoice. So second one is inventory part. This is something which we do it in QuickBooks normally to that's actually the sub items of the items which we created for the business, or which we buy it from the for our business, like handles for the chairs. So these comes under the inventory part and all. And then non-inventory part are the items which we don't track on the quantity or on the supplies itself. So these are some of the items we usually use, like we can give discounts on that if an item is on taxable basis. We do that in QuickBooks. We create a tax item and we can apply that on the invoice itself. Or other charges you have, if you want to apply some discounts, shipping discounts, or any other fees you would like to apply on the invoice, you can do that. First thing is you have to create an item for that, and then you can use it. So this is something which these are the items which we will be checking that in QuickBooks. So I'm just minimizing that. So that's the homepage of Enterprise QuickBooks. uh, and to start here, we will first go and create an item. We will go to the list at the top, and we will go to the items list, and under items list we can go to the bottom tab which says item, and click on new here. So these are the samples. You can see this is a sample file we are using to create an invoice. And these are the types of services which we discussed, like service item, inventory part, like cabinets, door frames, hardware. These are the inventory items we have it. And then non-inventory items is like lumber, appliances, counter, electrical material. These all are the inventory part items. Other charges is if there is any charges you want to apply in on the invoice, which says deposits, bad debts, delivery charges you would like to apply on the invoice. You can add these items on the invoice. uh, and these are certain items which you can apply discounts on the invoice. But before that, you have to create an item here. uh, a sales tax, if there's any sales tax you would like to apply on the invoice, you can do that from here. Usually there's a less sales tax, or there's no sales tax, you can select from the invoice itself. So these are the sample ones. So we will go and start with customers, and then click on create invoices. So under create invoices, let's find out the customer first, which we can go and proceed to make. And these all are the sample customers. If there's any new customer you would like to, you can click on add new, and create a new customer, as we have learned earlier. Here under customer, we will go and select Allard Robert. And let's go and start with creating an invoice with using the item. So here the date we have to select for this invoice. uh, this is the invoice which we will be giving, or which we will be emailing to our customer Robert. So today's date is October 25, 2005, 15 October 2025. This is the date of the invoice. This is the invoice number 1100. We would like to, we can go and change the invoice number as well. This is the box where we can go and enter the address of the Robert. Term is something which if you would like to mention the term that yes, if customer pays you within 15 days of generating this invoice, you will give a discount on that. And the due date is 15. Yeah, that's the 15 days term period for the invoice. Next thing is, let's go to the item part. We would be applying the item to the invoice. Under items tab, let's select an item here as let's say service, right? uh, Service, let's go and create a new item as service and putting that into labor electrical. So we are paying to the labor for his or her electrical work. Categories, we will leave it as uncategorized, same, so we don't need that. Description, again, description would be the, we can provide the information what exactly the type of work he has done. uh, Labor electrical, and that's wiring, let's say. Wiring installation. And now let's go and click on OK for that. And right here we have to uh, installation, let's make it as installation, and rate, let's say we will go and set up as 50. Account, make sure you always select an income account when it is a service you are paying, right? Any income account which matches that, that's labor income, we are selecting it onto that. And let's go and click on OK. If there's any if you want to create a new account as well, you can do that. For there it is, that's all. It's we replace all, let's say, yeah. The spelling, it says it's not correct though, that's the recognition, we can do that. Quantity, so quantity is 1, or maybe we can add 2 quantity here, 2 job done, it's been done here. Taxing, that's the rate, that's the amount, so total 50 into multiply, that's 100. Tax is something which you would like to apply tax or non-tax, we will go and apply non-tax on that. So that's the total amount, you can say. And when you save and close, it will go and save this invoice under Allard Robert, right? This box, you can see that it's email later, right? If you would like to, you can email this invoice and send it to that. You can uncheck it, and print later, again the same thing. If you would like to print now, or you want to pay this invoice later on, or you want to receive the payments later on, you can uncheck or check mark this box. Print is something which you would like to, you can do it now, right? We can preview that as well. Options, that's the ignore all. So this is the sample invoice which we have created now. You can see that invoice number, date there, that's the same number, and that's the overview. If you print that, it's gonna give you a print, and the same invoice you can email to your customers, right? And let's go and click on save. So it has saved now, the invoice has been saved now. And if you want to check that invoice, and you can see that this is the amount which has come up under accounts. You can see that that's the 50 price, that's the service item which we created. And let's go to the customer center and see the open invoice for our customer. So customer name was Allard Robert, you can see that. So if we go and double click on that, and let's go and run a report for this customer. I think we have to check the date. There you go. You can see that an invoice is there by the name of Allard Robert. So if we go and double click on it, it will open the same invoice, the one which we created, right? So that's all we have today for the QuickBooks learning. We have learned how to create an item, types of item we have learned. And for subscriptions, please do subscribe for more videos. And also there's an offer going on, there's an update going on. I just need to inform you about the QuickBooks sale subscription. That's if someone buys the QuickBooks subscription online from my link, he will be, or she will be getting a discount of 30% for next 6 months. 1 month would be extra free for that customer, right? That, so total is 7 months with 30% discount. So that's the online offer going on. Thank you very much for watching this video. You'll be getting more videos related to that. Please comment on below, and thank you very much for your time. Great day.